Hey everyone, welcome back to Investment IQ Insights, the place where we unravel the mysteries of personal finance. Today we've got a crucial topic for you: the 10 most common money mistakes you should avoid in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and beyond. Whether you're just starting your career or already planning your retirement, these money lessons are timeless. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment saying "I subscribed," and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as possible. Now, let's get started. Our first mistake is ignoring budgeting basics. In your 20s, it's easy to overlook the importance of budgeting, but trust me, having a budget is the foundation of financial success at any age. It's not just about creating a budget, it's about understanding your spending habits, setting realistic goals, and making adjustments as needed. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or retirement, a budget guides your spending towards what matters most to you. Budgeting not only controls spending but also aids in managing and reducing debt, fostering savings, and making informed financial decisions. It acts as a roadmap for achieving financial stability, emergency preparedness, and long-term wealth creation. Utilize budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to categorize your expenses, identify areas for improvement, and stay on track with your financial goals. Now, on to mistake number 2, neglecting emergency funds. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can hit you at any age. Having a solid emergency fund can be a financial lifesaver by ensuring you're prepared for whatever comes your way. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing a buffer against unforeseen expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Without this financial cushion, you risk being unprepared for life's unexpected challenges, potentially resorting to high-interest debt or depleting other savings. Building an emergency fund is not just about weathering the storm, but about fostering financial resilience. Aim to build an emergency fund equivalent to at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. It provides peace of mind and financial stability during challenging times. Number 3 on our list is relying solely on credit cards. It's tempting, I know, but credit cards are not free money. While credit cards offer convenience and rewards, relying on them without caution can result in accumulating high-interest debt. It's crucial to recognize that credit cards are a form of borrowed money, not free funds. Individuals who consistently carry balances risk paying substantial interest fees, negatively impacting their financial health. Moreover, excessive reliance on credit cards can lead to overspending and a detachment from the reality of one's financial situation. Responsible credit card use involves paying off balances in full each month, understanding credit limits, and using credit strategically to build a positive credit history. Balancing the convenience of credit cards with financial prudence is key to maintaining a healthy and sustainable approach to personal finance. Mistake number 4, neglecting retirement savings. Neglecting retirement savings is a financial oversight that can have long-term consequences. In your 20s, it's easy to underestimate the significance of planning for retirement, but the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. It's essential to consider retirement as a gradual process, contributing regularly to retirement accounts and taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans. With the compounding power of early investments, you can potentially accumulate substantial savings and secure a comfortable retirement. Prioritizing retirement savings is not just about preparing for the future, it's a proactive step towards financial security and the fulfillment of post-career aspirations. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and consider diversifying your portfolio with an individual retirement account, an IRA, for additional savings. At number 5, failing to invest. Saving is a great start, but investing allows your money to grow over time. Failing to invest is a missed opportunity for wealth accumulation and financial growth. While saving money is crucial, investing allows those savings to work actively in generating returns over time. Without embracing investment strategies, you may miss out on the potential for compounding gains that can significantly impact long-term financial goals. Look into different investment options based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Understand the power of compounding and the potential returns of a well-balanced investment strategy. Investing wisely is the key to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Moving on to mistake number 6, lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's natural to want a more comfortable lifestyle, but be mindful of your spending habits. As we earn more, there is often a temptation to elevate our standard of living, acquiring more expensive possessions or indulging in frequent luxuries. While enjoying the fruits of success is natural, unchecked lifestyle inflation can lead to a perpetual cycle of increased spending, making it challenging to save and invest for future goals. Recognizing the balance between enjoying the present and securing the future is essential to avoid unnecessary financial strain. By curbing lifestyle inflation and maintaining a mindful approach to spending, individuals can foster a sustainable financial lifestyle that aligns with their long-term goals. Prioritize your financial goals over unnecessary expenses. Find a balance between enjoying life and securing your financial future. Number 7 is not having insurance coverage. Not having adequate insurance coverage is a financial vulnerability that can expose you to significant risks. Insurance acts as a safeguard, protecting against unforeseen events such as health issues, accidents, or property damage. Without proper coverage, medical expenses or unexpected disasters can lead to financial hardship. Investing in insurance is an investment in peace of mind, shielding you from the financial fallout that can accompany unexpected life events. Recognizing the importance of insurance coverage is a fundamental step toward building a resilient and well-protected financial foundation. Whether it's health, life, or property insurance, make sure you're adequately covered. Being prepared for the unexpected is a key aspect of financial wellness. At number 8, taking on too much debt. It's essential to borrow responsibly and understand the implications of accumulating excessive debt. Excessive debt, especially high-interest debt, can result in a perpetual cycle of repayments, hindering financial freedom. It not only drains financial resources through interest payments, but also limits the ability to save and invest for the future. By reducing and managing debt wisely, individuals can regain control over their finances, alleviate stress, and pave the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first and use credit wisely to avoid falling into a cycle of debt. Celebrate becoming debt-free as a significant financial milestone. Mistake number 9, overlooking tax planning. Overlooking tax planning is a missed opportunity to optimize your financial strategy. Taxes can significantly impact income and wealth accumulation, and proactive planning can lead to substantial savings. By incorporating tax planning into financial decision-making, you can retain more of your hard-earned money and work towards achieving your financial goals more efficiently. Stay informed about available tax deductions, credits, and investment strategies that can help minimize your tax liability. It's like putting extra money back in your pocket. Finally, mistake number 10, ignoring your credit score. It's not just a number, it plays a vital role in your financial life. Your credit score plays a pivotal role in your eligibility for loans, credit cards, and even housing or job opportunities. By neglecting to monitor and improve your credit score, you may miss out on favorable interest rates and terms. Recognizing the importance of your credit score is essential for navigating the financial landscape with confidence and maximizing your financial potential. Regularly check your credit score, address any issues, and work towards maintaining a good credit history. A higher credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities. There you have it, a more in-depth look at the 10 common money mistakes at every age. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start making wise financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Thanks for joining us today at Investment IQ Insights.